Hi, good afternoon. This is Elena Vineyard Rancon. I am at my open house today in Menifee, and I'm going to be here from 1 to 4. I'm going to take you guys on a quick little tour of this house, and come on by and check it out today. 1 to 4. So we are at 27025 Geary Street in Menifee, and again, I'm going to be here until 4 today. So it is a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 21 square feet, and as you enter you have nice high voltage ceilings, plantation shutters, lets in a lot of natural light. The stairway's going upstairs. They do have new laminate flooring here in the kitchen, lots of cabinet storage, counter space. We have coriander countertops and dining room / family room as well. We have fireplace. This house has 1 bedroom, 1 bath downstairs. Here is your 1 bath. It's a 3/4 bath. Access to garage and separate laundry room and your 1 bedroom downstairs. So again, it is 5-bedroom, 2.5 baths on a 10,000 square foot lot. Give you a quick peek as well of the backyard. Nicely landscaped. Aluminum wood patio. You can put in a pool if you'd like as well. There's plenty of space. Alright, you guys, I will be here until 4 o'clock today. If you have any questions, give me a call, 909-225-8699. And again, it's 27025 Geary Street in Menifee. All right, have a good day.